Ni suweng ba sakanti ko Don Bosco Media Network ko naram chaksoa, anga Alicia A. Sangma, na simang na daalin Koborrang ko para katinga. Katabi chongrang, Assembly o nukhang lukat kapa o tangka chaam, Sorkari tanga Koborrang, hazasar chas sotok batigmata, George Lingdo kamrang bangbang ani gemen no singani ko takanga, aldo ko railway na kama bachingata ni gemen singani ko takanga. Chigmukpa Koborrang, Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress MPYC ni gata Sorkari ni Niamoni Strate Assembly nukhurkani gaman dengtang Sorkari Department rangoni ko report ko mane kham khaani ko pharakatanga Congress Bhavan no Skrubar Saloyani bidding khandek wyatani ko MPYC dilgapa Adrian Chan Milliam Gen President nga aro Banpira Basamer Vice President takanga Skutong Minister Shikonrat Sangma de agana ye Assembly ni nukhung akanya aselra uni Germania asel songa ani agana nga takke akane sakut Jukat na mangsungi nga ni basayamot ngani ko takanga. Anji gumakan na mana assembly nukhung akanya asela contractor ni name busu chungnyam gijani aselo bungbang jani nga aru thangka chani aselo nga ani basayamot akan tapanga. Je contractor rang yakho rekat na ski chakpa Uttar Pradesh Rakhya Nirman Nigam UPRNN aru Bandri Rai Company BRC rang nga. Yo contractor rang niya project ko name khajani aselo matna nga aru BRC de MDA Sarkar paksa nangrum gapo nga aru wamang na award rang ko Aro adok na rekada nanggapa project bang batakon BRC rang na pakwatay ni jana pangaha. Wamang na dala project rang ko pakwati anchingra naljokin man ni basayo nga. Meghalaya adok tangka chani baturuwe nga. Gemeg department rang chinik naman gen indi bas kutong minister yani jana pa kuwar chaken niruk sanya ni pal ni basayo akan tapangaha.
Here today because as we can see that corruption is rampant in our state currently. If we speak of any state department, we will find manipulation and corruption happening in a big way. And our Chief Minister will be defending very loudly instead of penalizing and fixing responsibilities. And recently we have seen reports by the media itself of the many departments in which corruption was very blatant, whether it's the Home Department, the police, health, education, power, social welfare and PWD. But today, we the Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress would like to place our focus on the collapse of the dome. Lately, our Chief Minister has mentioned that the dome of the Assembly collapsed due to the weight of the structure. Here we would like to ask the Chief Minister to place the inquiry report made by IIT Gauhati in a public domain so that we may be aware of the reality behind the collapse. And whom is he trying to save by stating that the dome collapsed due to the structure? Rather than enlighten, the Chief Minister rebuts by requesting others to do their homework before we accuse. We would say again that there is rampant corruption in the construction of the Assembly building, where it has been noticed that there is a clear failure in maintaining the technical design structure, which was seriously compromised by the contractor. What was the PWD engineer in charge of the building doing during the whole construction period, whom we have lately seen campaigning for the party that the Chief Minister heads? And I feel that the technical details pertaining to this matter will be shared by our Vice President, Mr. Banpira Basayo.
Embedment in the beam is missing. Non-adherence, even the non-adherence to the drawings issued. Many technical things are here which even a layman, if he just see the pictures, he'll understand that the work executed is not as per standards set, it's not as per the agreement made between the government and the contractor. And the Chief Minister is trying to defend someone who is indefensible right now. We need to take them to task. The Chief Minister needs to come up with a report, make it, put it in public domain. If there's nothing serious or the allegations by many sections about the corruption involved in the construction of the Assembly building, if it's not there, the Chief Minister should not be afraid of putting the report.
Comptroller और Auditor General CAG report 2000 खुलग्रक नि मार्च 6 तारिख को नसिया गता दे सरकार थांगा क्रोर 1000 सोतोक तोक पत्ते खजिना रंगो थिखानी और मंगपन ना थांगा गाला रिपोर्ट को टेस्ट चेक खानी बलसी हजालगनी चिस्को नि बलसी हजालगनी खुलग्रो कोना थांगा गोंग हजालसा गोंग रछसा सोतोक तोक point so chetsku jan so prichet percent gata adok sorkarin thanga ko tang khamrang na thik kha anyo richabri so chet case rang ogala ani report to pharakatanga CAG report rang revenue department rang ni kham kha ani bulgriani ko jaksi otanga wamang ni kham kha ani system sangja ar Koborrang ke mangapan department baksa kham kha ni dongjani aselo nyamgri khoila badang parang ni khajina galani ar dingthang khamrang panginga ani CAG report ni gita pharakatanga.
Sir, I would like to go straight to the points raised by the honorable members. The point number one is relating to the delay in billing in rural areas raised by the honorable members. Sir, it is true. In fact, the billing system which is being done till today to all the rural areas is for 2 months. But due to the huge shortage of manpower that we have throughout the state, ultimately, the meter readers sometimes were able to go maybe beyond 2 months, and leading to ultimately compiling of the outstanding bills to each and every household. Sir, relating this issue, in fact, we have already again had a review meeting in detail about this pertinent issue, and instruction has been given to the board that henceforth let us try to make sure that the bill collection should be done on monthly basis.
Trinamool Congress ni MLA George Lingdo, Skutung Minister Conrad Sangmako, Sorkari ni dengtang Department Rango, Baitage Kamrang Bangbang Nge Dunginga ni Singangaha. Question Arni Somayo, Hazagni Chichetoni Hazagni Kulgukuna, Badita Ge Kamrang, Bangbang Nge Dunginga, Yakum Asina Skilling dos ngani ko takangha. Yes ngani na Conrad Sang Mabadita Ge Post Rang Dunga, Uku Agan Chakani Pal, Taon Depet na Midi Wikujenga, Aro Aska andita Ge Dunga ni Agana de Nama Aganjoa ni Agan Chakaha. Konani agan chakani ko knai lingdo agan thaiha anga badita ge postunga ukusa masina skachu mendiba angi singani na sukari mamung agan chakani dungjo de mamung ja ni wa agan ha.
Speaker, sir, with the reply that the information is being collected, does this mean that the government does not have any readily available information on the number of vacant posts across all departments?
Sir, the vacancy and the posts being filled up are dynamic processes. It changes during the course of time. And just to give an idea to everybody, sir, how complicated this entire process and the information that has been sought, is that, so we have over 63 directorates, sir. And apart from the 63 directorates that are there are more than 60 departments. Apart from the 60 departments that are there, so there are 12 DC offices. There are over 6 SDO offices. There are over 46 blocks. And we have Meghalaya House in Guwahati, Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Vellore. Sir, we have more than 200 such different offices, departments, and at different levels. Even at the district level, there are official offices of every department in different departments, not every, but large number of departments are there in different districts. What I'm trying to say is that, sir, if I were to give a number, it cannot be a number that is 4, 5 months, 6 months old. It has to be the latest number. And hence the exercise of collecting this huge amount of data and giving it at the precise current status right now requires us to collect the data as is, where is basis. And hence the process is very complicated, and hence it requires time to collect it. And that's why I mentioned, sir, that we are in the process of collecting the information.
Skutung Minister Conrad Sangma Skrubasalo, Northeast Frontier, Railways ni survey kagapa mandirang ni jingjengata ni asel ponche pajok ani parakatangha. Conrad Sangma yarang ko BJP MLA ALHEC ni singani Bernihat Railway Rama ni gemen singani nagan chakangha. ALHEC Assembly ni question aro singani ko takangha. Aro NFR ni survey ka ani bon chong dekai jok ngapara ungama ungja ani singani ko takangha. Adog ni railway line ni gemen singani ko nongpo ni MLA Mil Ralbol Siem singani ko takang haro ya project ni gemen na methala China mulang ha ya singani na transport minister da sakyat ba lamari akan chakani ko nang ha aro yani gemen atok ni sorkari ni yani ko takinga ani akan tapang ko ha Bernihat railway line ko propose de kha jokchim endi ba deng thang do rang ni ya project ko je kali jingjeng ata ni ko takani gemen mamang kham ko khana manjaha aro survey rang ko ba chunga gita dakna manjaha ni wa akan nang ha
Honorable Speaker, sir, we know that railway line is very important. It is like a lifeline for the economy of our country. At the same time, we cannot deny the fact that even in our state also, after proper mechanism to take care for regular influx of immigrant can be in place, it is important that we should have. Keeping in mind the sensitivity of this issue, keeping in mind the issue that we have to take on board the indigenous people of our state. I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, or maybe the Honorable Chief Minister, that what is the mind of the government, whether to go ahead with the railway line within the state or to stop it totally.
Yes, sir, I do agree. It's a very important subject in general in regards of the economy of the state and overall, sir. As for now, sir, we have a lot of pressure from the government of India, central government, to move it forward. But as we all know, there are many opposition from the NGOs, from the locals. In fact, there's also a case pending on this. So, yes, sir, because of the pressure and because of the need of it for the economy of the state, we are planning to move ahead with it, sir, forward. But at the same time, we have to consider all the matters of the opposition. We have to discuss on it. We have to listen to them, and we have to make sure that even if we move forward, we have to consider and take them on board, everybody who's involved in this. After that, sir, we'll move forward with it. Without that, we will make sure that whatever we can, we will try and take them on board.
Yan dal na Koborrang ni swing pa sa kanti kon metela.